You're bloated. You just ate a big meal, and now your stomach is uncomfortably swollen, tight, and hard. You might even feel a little nauseous, and then you reach for a laxative or an over-the-counter remedy to relieve your symptoms. But what if the real problem isn't what you think? What if the reason you're always bloated has nothing to do with the food you eat? As a functional medicine provider, I see this all the time. People are bloated and they think that it's because of their diet. So they try to fix it by changing their diet, only to find out that does not fix the problem. And that's because most people do not know that there are many common, but lesser-known causes of bloating, like eating too fast, or eating fake healthy foods, or having a hidden food intolerance. In fact, I'm going to share the top 3 most common causes of bloating that nobody's talking about. But first, let's talk about the one thing that everyone's talking about when it comes to bloating: gut health. You see, the health of your entire digestive system depends on the trillions of bacteria that make their home in your gut. This is known as your microbiome. And your microbiome does so much more than you probably realize. For example, did you know that 80% of your immune system is housed in your gut? That's because your gut microbiome helps to train your immune cells and keep pathogens out. They also help you digest your food by breaking down components like fiber and complex carbohydrates that would otherwise be indigestible. But here's where things get interesting. Your microbiome is unique to you. Just like your fingerprints, no one else has the same microbiome as you. And that means that everyone's digestive system is going to react differently to food. Some people have a highly diverse microbiome that can handle almost anything, while others have a less diverse microbiome that makes them more susceptible to digestive issues like bloating, constipation, diarrhea, reflux, and irritable bowel syndrome, among others. So what does this mean for you? It means that you should take a different approach to your gut health. Instead of following the advice of some random influencer who's recommending the latest fad diet, you need to take an approach that considers your individual needs. That's why. Now that we've covered gut health, let's get back to those bloating triggers. Like I said, the first one is eating too fast. When you eat quickly, your body goes into a state of sympathetic overdrive and starts pumping out stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. This causes your gut to release extra gastric acid, which can lead to bloating, indigestion, and heartburn. Not to mention that eating too fast prevents your body from getting the satiety signal from your gut. This leads to overeating and making your bloating worse. The second trigger is fake healthy foods. Foods like gluten-free baked goods, vegan cookies, and sugar-free candy may seem like a healthy choice, but they're usually loaded with sugar alcohols, which are poorly absorbed by the body. Sugar alcohols act as a food for your gut bacteria, which can lead to excess gas production and bloating. The third trigger is a hidden food intolerance. While it's common to think of food intolerances as causing only digestive issues like diarrhea and constipation, they can also manifest as bloating. For example, an intolerance to dairy can cause your body to not fully digest the lactose in milk, which can lead to bloating. Or a wheat intolerance can cause your body to not properly digest the gluten in bread, which can also lead to bloating. So how do you fix all of this? Here are 3 instant tips to reduce bloating backed by science. Number 1, drink 12 ounces of carbonated water. A study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that drinking carbonated water can help relieve bloating by reducing the amount of gas in the stomach. The carbon dioxide in carbonated water stimulates the release of gastric acid, which helps break down gas bubbles in the stomach. Number 2, walk for 10 minutes. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that walking after a meal can help relieve bloating by promoting digestion. Walking increases the amount of time that it takes for food to pass through the stomach, which gives the stomach more time to empty its contents into the small intestine. And number 3, take a probiotic. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help improve the health of your gut microbiome. Studies have shown that taking a probiotic can help relieve bloating by improving digestion and reducing inflammation in the gut. I know that you don't want to be bloated forever, and honestly, no one should have to live with this uncomfortable feeling. But the truth is that many people are suffering because they just don't know that these are actually possible.